Assalamu alaikum, hello, and welcome to Ashiana Cooking. Before I start, if you have not already subscribed then make sure you do. Also, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, back to the video.
In this video I will be sharing with you an amazing recipe of sticky honey glazed lamb chops. For this, you will need half kilogram of lamb chops, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, half-inch piece of ginger. So, add half kilogram of lamb chops to around 2 to 3 cups of water in a pressure cooker to boil them. To this, add the garlic and ginger, cut up 3 to 5 green chilies and add them to. Finally add 1 teaspoon of salt, then place an airtight lid and boil the lamb chops for around 10 to 15 minutes to ensure that they are cooked.
Next, make the sticky honey glaze while the lamb chops cook. For this I am using 2 teaspoons of sugar, but you can also use brown sugar. Also add 2 teaspoons of honey. Cook this on a low heat to melt and dissolve the sugar.
Then remove the mixture from the heat. After it's dissolved, add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 2 teaspoons sweet chili sauce. Mix it all up and turn on the heat. Allow it to bubble for a few seconds, then remove from the heat.
The lamb chops are now cooked. Separate the lamb chops and place them on a baking tray.
By the way, do not throw away the liquid. It is just like the stock from the lamb chops that contains all good juices that can be used for other purposes like in other recipes. So, spread out the lamb chops on the baking tray and put them in the oven for 10 minutes so that they become dry and crispy. Turn them over and repeat again for another 10 minutes. Once they are dry, use a pastry brush to spread the honey glaze onto the lamb chops on both sides.
Separate the lamb chops and place them on a baking tray.
Place them in the oven and after some time turn them over and glaze on the other side, then place them in the oven again. Look at how beautiful they look, that shiny sticky honey glaze. Remember, if you don't have lamb chops you can still use this recipe as it's all about the taste, obviously. At the end I added sesame seeds to make it sparkle and taste even better, of course. To display and serve, I tried something new. I also recommend that you try new things as that way you have fun and learn. So, if you have not tried this recipe before then I highly recommend that you do. So as I was saying, I used the large lettuce leaves and placed them on the dish. I then placed the stunning looking fancy lamb chops on top, and I added sliced squares of pepper throughout. It may not be clear, however the color of these lamb chops was amazing and they truly tasted great. Also make sure that you try out this recipe and like this video. The lamb chops turned out tasting amazing. They were well cooked and were spicy. If you make this for children, I recommend that you reduce the amount of spice, because honestly for me it was quite spicy, however others loved it.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the recipe and that you try it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with others such as family and friends. More importantly with the people that do the actual cooking. Also, watch the other videos from my channel Ashiana Cooking. Goodbye.